this is the sweet potato and the cocoa. So we're just going to grate the coconut now. So we got the sweet potato. What else we got in there?
Vanilla,
coconut milk,
coconut
juice, fresh coconut sweet squad, and vanilla. So he's gonna combine all those ingredients together.
Cornmeal, add a little cornmeal.
We're going to be adding some cornmeal. The sweet squad, he is professional. He doesn't go with measurements. So I am doing this video to show you the authentic Jamaica sweet potato pudding.
This is a nutmeg. You break it.
So we'll be adding some grated nutmeg, sweet squad.
Be careful, right?
I can smell the fragrance from that nutmeg. Very nice.
Add a little salt. Add your sugar. Fire. Add a little butter. Good. What else?
So sweet squad, you'll be combining all the ingredients. Smell nice, smells so delicious when all these ingredients are combining. Adding a little more vanilla, and I can tell you, sweet squad, this is smelling so lovely. All natural ingredients straight from his farm. organic potatoes, etc. Obviously bought such things like the sugar and the cornmeal and salt, etc. But this is smelling lovely already, Sweet Squad. I'm gonna mix the ingredients out again. So we're using some natural cinnamon leaf here, Sweet Squad. Natural cinnamon leaf. Normally when I'm baking I use cinnamon powder, but this is the natural cinnamon here we got.
Yeah.
So it's just adding a few pieces in the pudding mixture. I've never seen it done this way, guys, but this is a professional's work here. I guess this will get more flavor from the natural cinnamon leaves. Yes, Sweet Squad, so this is what we'll be using to bake this pudding. This
Catch the fire.
Catch the fire, coal stove. So that's the coal there.
Find that one.
No, Tina.
Yes, yes. No, it's alright. What me do, you see? I'll put more cold on this now.
So we're gonna grease the pot with some butter. So this is our oven, guys. So we put the fire on the bottom that in the middle and the fire on top as well. Real traditional way of baking before oven was invented. So roughly how long will this take to bake?
A little 1 hour.
About an hour. Yes, Sally. Are we outside? Wow. Yes, sweet squad. Yes, sweet squad. So our sweet potato pudding is finished.